Hello, and welcome to the 𝐼𝐴M channel. I just want to specially welcome you and to thank you for subscribing to this channel. I know if you are here, you're thinking about how can I grow my KDP business. Welcome to the home of online marketing and KDP publishing. Today, we are just going to talk about something simple, which is some of the niches that you can publish in when it comes to the health related niche in KDP publishing business. So I'm just going to run you through some of the niches first that you can look at. Then I'm going to test some of them on Amazon for you to see how viable they are if you are publishing in them. So first of all, look at there's a niche called diabetes logbook. You can publish books in that niche. You can also look at massage journals where people can record their massage attendance and experiences. You can also look at blood pressure logbook, doctor visitation logbook for people who want to visit the doctors, pet vaccines log, workout logbook, chemotherapy logbook, alcohol tracker, first aid checklist, sleep tracker, weightlifting, nurse planner, patient visit notes. So it could be for nurses or hospital authorities to record patient visits, sleep diary, for people who are not sleeping well or want to track their sleep, breastfeeding journals. You can do that. Pregnancy tracker, it's a good niche. Gym routine, flossing journal, medical tracker, pain tracker, personal health record keeper. But don't worry, I'm going to leave this list in the description below for you to download and to use. It's free. The download is free. You get it for free. So I'm just going to rush through because you still have it at the end of the day. Wellness journal, sickness tracker, yoga logbook, hospital visitation journal, mental health journal, smoking tracker, water drinking journal, mood tracker, running log, food supplement tracker, anxiety tracker, health screening journal, happiness reminders, blood sugar logbook, glucose log, daily food journal, drug addiction tracker, hospital gifts for women, planner, baby feeding log, fertility journal, ovulation journal, menstruation notebook, nurse gifts books. So you can write publish books that will target the nurses for people to buy gifts for them. Cancer survivors gifts notebooks, nursing coloring book, eating disorders, anti-aging journal, memory improvement, menopause journal, NLP workout or workbook, stop snoring journal, stress tracker, obesity books, vaccination record book, cancer meditation log, asthma tracker, allergies tracker, diabetes logbook for adults, diabetes logbook for kids. We mentioned diabetes where you can bring them down into two. Laboratory log or tracker, pharmacist logbook, mindfulness journal, health headache journal, baby feeding journal, breastfeeding, child health tracker, temperature log, dog health record, cat health record, fitness journal, symptom tracker, habits tracker, body tracker, diet tracker, meal planner, steps tracker, doctor appointments, body tracker, hair care tracker, keto meal planner, fasting tracker, therapy notebook, exercises logbook, eye testing, ear cleaning, erection, hangover logbook, poultry medical screening, prostate cancer treatment journal, shaving logbook. And this can be hair, it can be pubic hair, whatever hair, orgasm logbook, dentist visitation log, baby cry log, journal or logbook. So these are all books that you can target. You can look at one. So if you are new to this business, if you are already doing this list may not be for you because you are experienced. So pardon those who are starting, for them to also get ideas, and you can get different ideas to use. Just pick one or two or four or five niches and you publish in a day. You can get simple interiors on Creative Fabrica. You can get simple interiors there. You can also go to 𝐼𝐴M Digistore. I'm going to leave the link below where you can get interiors like music sheet, handwriting paper, workout logbook, blush notes, dream journal. Some of them are even free. $1 you can get an interior. You can also get like workout logbook. This composition logbook is free. This is free. So I'm going to leave the link below for you to go there and get the type of interiors that you want to use. If you can't find the interiors that you need to, You can go to Creative Fabrica, where you can get quality interiors. So I'm just going to, so when you go to Creative Fabrica, you get to see that there are different interiors that people are using just to do their KDP business. So you go to graphics and you go to KDP interiors. So you get tons and tons and tons of interiors that you can just buy or download to start your KDP business. You can download them from here or subscribe and start getting like any interior that you want, teacher planners and all those things, all the health. Majority of the books, niches I've mentioned, you can find them here. So the link is going to be below, so don't worry. But let's go back to the list and test some of them to see the possibilities, whether we can actually make a gain from them. So we're going to look at the diabetes journal. So let me key in the diabetes. Okay, you see it appear first, even diabetes logbook. So you can see there are different niches here too. I've mentioned some of them. You can see blood sugar logbook, diabetes food journal, diabetic diary, and all those things. And these are the BSR are not bad. The ranking are not bad. This one is like 30,000, and this one is like 24,000. So let's take a look at this, which is selling for $12, which means that the person may make like close to $5 profit from this. So we pick the BSR of 24,851 and check the rank here. So you can go to TCK Publishing to check the rank. So let's see the rank again is 24,851. 24,851. We're going to calculate the sales. So this person is making like close to 72 sales per month. Close to 72 sales per month. And it's not bad. So we multiply 172 by $5. You get a huge amount of money for a month for a single book. And this could be more. So it's something that you can do. So let's take a look at the interior of this to see what is in, and if it's possible for you to also do it, that's fine. That's fine. So let's just look inside and see whether you can also replicate this or not. So they've done one or two things here, but it's just simple that you can also follow the steps. You can get something like this or design something on your own to also win in your KDP business. So it's simple. It's a simple interior that you can follow. Then let's look at fitness journal. So we're going to pick one of them, maybe fitness journal, and we test it and see can we make an impact there. Fitness journal. I'm just going to put in fitness journal. So you can see you have a lot of books on the fitness journal, a daily food and fitness journal. So this one has a BSR of 8,261, and it's selling for 5. So 8,000. The BSR is, you can get the BSR down here too. BSR is 8,000. So you can go down. There's always a description detail where you can get the BSR here to 8,261. So 8,261. So let's do the calculation. 8261 in this book. So the person sells like 438 copies a day, like per month. That's sales per month, and he sells like 29 copies a day. So from the pricing of this book, I can tell you that he's making like close to $1.50, and which is not bad per a book. So he may have 2 or 10 different books, or even 100 different books that will make him money. So you can also do that. So these are the lists are there. You pick the list, go to Amazon, do your researches. You can also go on to like Pinterest to test and see possible interiors. You can also navigate, then go to Creative Fabrica and get your interiors sorted. But the important thing is that you need to do your keyword research well. If you don't have good keywords and good covers, you may not make any sale. But all in all, if you are able to publish like in 10 of these niches, you will start making sales. You start making sales. If you have the right keywording, you have the right niching down, you can make an impact. So this is a list of 100 plus, and I'm going to keep updating this for you to win in your KDP business. So we have different. So I'm going to leave this list in the description below, and also I'm going to create an opportunity for you to get interiors to help your business, and you can get them via this Gumroad store. I am digital store on Gumroad, which you can just check out. Nice design interiors that you can get: period tracker, prayer journal, medium, Sudoku. Like, you can get different interiors for your business. But for now, just download the list. It's free, but you can donate something small to it. The important thing also is that you can like or subscribe to this channel to inspire me to do new videos. I've been stuck in doing content, but I realized that doing content, putting books on Amazon without helping others to also publish may not, it will not cut anything from me if I don't help people to publish well. But as part of humanity, I've taken it upon myself to also do content that will let people appreciate. And I want to thank some people who are already doing content on Amazon, which is like on YouTube, which is helping all of us. Mr. Rosa, Paul Miles, Stacking Profit, and all the people who are doing great content. I want to thank you, and I just want to say that I'm also part of this. And let's do it big. Let's do it big. So you can download the list, make an impact. Thank you for your time. I believe that you download the list and you enjoy the benefits from the list.